Well, some sky gazers in North Texas were treated to a vibrant atmospheric light show last night. Colorful aurora borealis displays were visible. It's incredible. These images were shared with us by viewers. Experts say this was a direct result of powerful bursts of energy from the sun called coronal mass ejections, disturbing energized particles in the Earth's atmosphere. And what's really incredible is that you see the northern lights in the northern part of the hemisphere.
Exactly.
This is not something that we see in Texas.
No, it's definitely not. And this CME, as they call them, was even stronger than what they were expecting, because this is a relatively new science for them to try and predict the aurora borealis and when they're going to be most spectacular and a little bit more dull. But we do have that potential again tonight. So that's pretty exciting. Yes, we do have clear skies on the way. You're definitely going to want to look up. Maybe you'll see some of those bright, beautiful colors out there. It's more likely that the aurora will likely stay a little bit further north of us this evening, but hey, you just never know. So it's worth a shot to just look up into that night sky. Our temperatures overall, they are warming up. We are going to the upper 70s today. We're going for the lower 80s to wrap up the work week, and then mid 80s this weekend. And our sunny and dry stretch, that is going to continue with high pressure still dominating our weather. And the next rain chance that we've been tracking, that has been pushed even further out. Now it looks maybe Monday night into Tuesday, could get delayed again even into Wednesday. But look at this. Fort Worth is absolutely beautiful right now. Those clear blue skies. We did wake up to a little bit of cloud cover. That is cleared out. We're sitting at 68 degrees right now. And our temperatures, especially in our eastern areas, are up quite a bit from yesterday, about 5 to 15 degrees. That is noticeably warmer out there. We're sitting at 69 in Terrell, 70 in Greenville, a lot of upper 60s throughout North Texas right now. But First Alert satellite and radar is definitely looking very quiet. Any lingering clouds that we saw this morning, those are pushing into East Texas. They definitely didn't bring us any rain out there. But our winds today, they are going to be a lot lighter. They're going to stay about 5 to 15 miles an hour, but since they're out of the south, they are starting to draw in a bit more moisture, and they're going to help boost our temperatures as well. So we're looking at low 70s through about 1 o'clock, and then highs this afternoon will top out closer to 77 in DFW. Western spots, so from Mineral Wells, Stephenville, Graham, Breckenridge, you guys could already hit that 80-degree mark. And then tomorrow, DFW is going to join them in the lower 80s. So futurecasts the rest of the day today, not really seeing too many changes out there. Those clear skies mean that potential of maybe seeing the aurora again. But with that increase in moisture, we could get a little bit of patchy fog tomorrow morning, especially into East Texas, maybe down towards Stephenville and Comanche, maybe even some pockets of some of that fog across DFW, but it's not going to stick around very long. It would lift out pretty quickly mid to late morning. Then we'll have a lot of blue skies again, but we're looking ahead to this weekend. Since that system has been delayed, that means just partly cloudy skies for your Saturday, more of the same on Sunday. And since we're going to stay drier with more sunshine, those temperatures have gone up as well. Even into Monday, we're still expecting a mostly dry day. The European model, which is what you're looking at right now, not really bringing in those showers until about Tuesday now, and then continuing to see some of those showers, maybe even a few thunderstorms as we head into Wednesday of next week. But that is still about a week out, so we're still going to see some changes. You're still going to want to stick with us on that forecast, but that precipitation outlook from the Climate Prediction Center for November 18th to November 22nd is showing that potential for above average precipitation, so we could get some of that rain here in our area. As we take a look at that First Alert 7-day forecast, it looks more like spring than fall with a lot of 80s in the forecast. Not only are our afternoons warming up, our mornings are as well. We're going to start off in the lower 60s by Friday morning.